Go to the Channels panel in Affinity Photo and select the Composite Red. Then go to the Filters menu, down to Blur, and you can use any of the filters, but I'm just going to go with Zoom Blur. Set it 1000, and I'm going to change the origin position, just put it there. Click Apply. Now go to Composite Green, the green channel, and go to Filters, Blur, and Zoom Blur again. Of course, I could use one of the other blurs as well. Again, keep it as 1000, different origin position, click Apply. Then go to Composite Blue, and then go to Filters, obviously, and Blur, and Zoom Blur again, and put it, say, somewhere else, something like there. Click Apply. To reset it back to RGB or CMYK, etc., just click there. And now you can see you've got this lovely colourful design. Well, what you can also do is go to Filters, Colours, and Auto Levels. So you can just brighten it up a bit. So that's got a lovely design there. Of course, you can then manipulate it maybe with other filters as well. Again, in different colour channels. You don't have to do it for all of them. Go to Composite Red and use it there. Or just go to Filters, Distort, Deform, etc. Hope you found this interest. Thank you much.